How you doing? Welcome, everybody. And today, welcome day, sports fans, and ready for another exciting edition. Today's weather is volume, sounds, sound effects. You know what was really cool? I was watching Michael Winslow. He was one of the cool actors in the movie Police Squad, where he did all the really cool sounds. He's the man with 10,000 sounds.
That's right, boys and girls. He is a man with 10,000 sounds, and I cannot compare.
Why am I bringing this up? Good question. Thank you for asking. Well, now. Sorry, I just love it. I remember in junior high with my friends, and then later on in high school with my friends. And we had people pointed out to us when my friends and I would talk to each other. Someone said, like, you realize you guys are talking with sound effects. What do you mean? Well, you're saying, yeah, we went driving the other day, we passed the car, cops coming, well, we didn't actually have cops, but like, you're talking to the sound effects. Oh my God, we're skiing. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. And you can see how it's just goofy and weird. But you know what's cool about it is? It just adds a new dynamic of humor. It just adds a new dynamic of joy. Hello, everybody home? What are you talking about here? Hello? Knock, knock, knock. I ain't no master in the sound effects, but guess what? Have fun with it. Like last night after I watched that, my poor girlfriend was like laughing and went, oh God. Because I was trying a whole bunch of different sound effects. Like you can do your beatbox. I like to see your beatbox. Oh yeah, bring it on. Beat it now. Just beat it. Everybody just... You see, it makes me happy. Just being goofy with sounds. And that's just another level of communication. Communication could be, again, written, spoken, video, singing, right? Like there's so many different means of way to communicate. And sound effects is one. Can you imagine getting into a car? Not hearing any sounds? That would be weird. When I started hearing that first electric car driving down the street, it was weird. But you know what? I'm getting used to that. That would become the new norm. But other things, a squeaky door, right? A spring, person walking into a bar, boom, right? Right? The rake. All of these sound effects, right, really adds, or should I say, brings a whole new level of humor, of imagination. Hollywood in their sound effects studio, breaking bones, which is actually dry chicken bones, walking on snow is actually a bag of rice. Isn't that cool how you get all these different sound effects? I forgot. It was rainwater. But there's all these really cool sound effects that you can make. Question is, what can you make out of your mouth? Give it a try. I would love to hear it. I saw in the window this TV on sale, $5. The only problem was the volume was stuck on high. You know what? I can't turn that down. All right, sports fans, and welcome to the traffic report. Today is well, everybody, thank you for allowing me to have fun here, and I really appreciate it. Leave a comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow.